In the heart of the kitchen, warmth emanates as mother carefully sets a steaming dish upon the table. Sunlight dances through the window, casting a golden glow upon the modest kitchen, heightening the anticipation. The aroma of the food fills the air, promising comfort and satisfaction. Ahmed storms into the kitchen, his face lit with pure, uncontainable joy. He lunges for the food, his hunger momentarily overriding manners. Mother's loving hand gently halts him, her eyes sparkling with warmth and affection as she reminds him, "Son, what do you say before eating?" Ahmed lowers his gaze, a hint of shyness in his eyes, and softly recites, "Bismillah Rahim." As the prayer concludes, a gentle golden light bathes the food on the table. Mother's eyes shine with profound gratitude and prayerfulness as she listens to the teaching. Bismillah is the key to blessings.